The Israel-Hamas conflict has once again put the Middle East at the forefront of global geopolitics. This conflict is not just a humanitarian crisis, but also a significant factor in shaping regional and global power dynamics. Today we'll discuss the background, ongoing impacts and implications of this conflict. The roots of the conflict. The conflict between Israel and Hamas is part of the larger Israeli-Palestinian dispute. Hamas, a Palestinian militant group, has been designated a terrorist organization by Israel and other countries. The conflict escalated in October 2023 when Hamas launched a large-scale attack on Israel, leading to extensive Israeli retaliation in Gaza. Humanitarian crisis. Gaza is one of the most densely populated areas in the world and has been severely affected by Israeli airstrikes. Thousands have died and millions have been displaced. The region faces shortages of food, water and medical supplies, exacerbating the suffering of civilians. Regional dynamics. Iran, a key supporter of Hamas, is leveraging the conflict to challenge Israel and its allies. Saudi Arabia's efforts for normalization with Israel have stalled due to the ongoing violence. Global reactions. The United States has reaffirmed its support for Israel, providing military aid. Russia and China are using the situation to strengthen ties in the region and counter US influence. The United Nations has called for a ceasefire and humanitarian aid, but diplomatic solutions remain elusive. India has condemned Hamas's attacks and supported Israel's right to self-defense. However, India also maintains historical ties with Palestine, necessitating a balanced approach in its foreign policy. The conflict has disrupted global oil supplies, leading to a surge in prices and impacting global economies, including India's. The Israel-Hamas conflict highlights the fragility of peace in the Middle East. For countries like India, navigating such crises requires balancing geopolitical interests with humanitarian principles. This ongoing conflict underscores the need for global diplomacy and lasting solutions,